or escape the running head. So, but first, let's see the maze first so we can cheat. Okay, okay. We know now. Let's jump. Okay. I played this game before and I don't know why do these heads dead end? Ah, okay, wait up. Where should we go? Okay, here. We will go here. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, checkpoint so they can. So if I die, like I can go back. Like, what happens if a running head go to me? Nothing. Okay. Nothing. Oh, wait. Oh. Okay, I think I'm just lagging, but let's do this again and actually beat it. Okay. Yeah. There's so many. Go to the M to the G. Should we go here? Bro, what's this? Oh, wait. Oh, there's a pocket hole. Let's go, let's go. Checkpoint. Okay, this is hard. There. Because this is just one line and there's 3 heads. So we can do this. They're distracted by another. Okay, so how is this? Oh, that's a big running head. Okay. Okay. It's big, so I thought it can go up, you know? That's why I screamed. Wait. Oh, you thought, haha. Wait lang. Okay, that's a fire jump. Oh, we're gonna do stage 2. Do you think we can beat this, guys? I don't know. I think we can beat this. But yeah. So let's do place 2. Like, oh wait. I have 20 coins. 10 coins, 10 coins. Oh, let's do these wings. Oh. Okay, wait. Pick a door. I'm gonna pick this. Okay, a maze again. Wow, another maze. How incredible. But okay. Okay. This maze is. Why are there so many? Oh wait, this is new. This is new. Let's do this. 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 Okay. Don't be scared, guys, because I'm a pro. Oh, what's this? Bro, I'm not actually pro. Because if I was really a pro, then I will not have died. So I'm lying. Bro, this is so hard. I think I need to press the jump button many times so we do not get into the running head. Bro, this is hard. How can we do this? Sorry for you seeing me like this. Any bro, like I'm so angry right now. Bro, we escaped that one. Can we escape this? Wait, I thought I saw something for a moment. We died like a million times, so we cannot die this time. Okay, let's do this. Okay, bro, checkpoint. This is. Oh, I thought it was the end, but it's not. So let's. Hey, I'm here. Okay, bro. This is hard. Okay. I don't know. Oh wait, I did the wrong thing. Sorry. Okay. Doody. Okay. No, nothing. No, nothing. Okay, okay. No running head. Is this all stage 2? This is too much. For all I know. Sport! Why is this? Bro, this is annoying. This is annoying. This is annoying. This is annoying. No, you can catch me. You can catch me. Okay, another stairs. Wait, is this stage 3? Bro, I think I'm gonna beat this. Wait, I think I did not like. Bro, okay, stage 3. Okay, what's this? Let's try to buy. No, nothing. Okay. I want a mask, but it just get removed, bro. Like, why can't I keep it forever? I didn't look, bro. I didn't know, bro. No. Where is the end of this? Okay, here. Let's do this. Okay, parkour. Bro, what's that? That's such a big guy. Why should you come different ways? I don't know what's good. I'm seeing if we beat this, then I'll end the video right here. Why did I fall? Okay. If I beat this, then I will end the video right here. If I beat this stage, then I will end the video right there. Why are they still coming? Bro. I'm safe. Okay, this turn. This now. Hope there's no running heads like those big guys. Okay, someone just died. O to the M to the G. Someone just died, and that will be not me. That was someone else. Okay. Oh, this is something. They can't go here, right? Okay, this is safe. We can do this. It's particularly like, okay, I beat this stage. Okay, that's all for today, guys.